Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a resume using ChatGPT. So with ChatGPT, you can create an impressive resume that truly reflects your skill, experience and aspirations. And the best part, it's quick, easy and absolutely free. Forget about paying expensive online services or spending hours trying to format your CV. With just a few clicks and some basic information, ChatGPT can create a resume that's tailored to your career goals and designed to catch recruiters. All you need to do is provide your personal details right here inside the square bracket, educational background, work experience, skills, and any relevant certifications or volunteer work, and then let your GPT do the rest. It's that simple, but that's not all. ChatGPT can also help you writing a compelling cover letter that perfectly complements your resume. Just provide a job title and company you are applying to, why you are interested, and why you are a good fit. ChatGPT will take care of the rest, and with this resume information ChatGPT created for me, what I will do is I will copy the information, go to my Microsoft Word. So after I have pasted in my Microsoft Word or any other online builder that you want to use, you can just edit some of the information that you like to edit according to your preferences, and there you have it. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.